my my warning will be that there will be a possible credit rating downgrade.
Mhm.
And
Yes.
why is that? Because today, tignan lang ninyo, in next year, ang makokolekta natin sa VAT, BIR and BOC will roughly be 1.5 trillion. Ang pasweldo lang ng empleyado natin ay 1.7 trillion next year. So ang total VAT collection is not even enough to pay for the salaries of all our employees. Ang deficit natin next year nasa 1.6, 1.7 trillion. Lahat ng capital outlay natin, ibig sabihin lahat ng tulay, kalsada, school building, hospital, inuutang natin. So kung magbabawas pa tayo ng revenue, baka pati ang current operating expenses natin uutangin na rin natin. So a 20% reduction of 1.5 trillion for next year is 300 billion. So yan yung sinasabang 12 to 10. Ang halaga niya 300 billion. Kasing laki na rin ng budget ng Department of Health